Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In this video, I'm gonna give you a rundown of all the different features of the Chicco Keyfit 30 and how to use them. Enough talking, let's get to it. First off, I'll show you this compartment at the front of the base. You can open the little door and keep the manual there. Or you can keep snacks in there too. I won't tell. There are two green levelers at the sides of the base. When installing the base to the car, you will need the bubble to be in the middle. The base also comes with a recline feature. You press the orange button on the sides and pull the base up to the desired level. The pull strap has a small hole to store it in when not in use. The orange lever here is the release handle for the pull strap. At the back, you have the anchors, which are stored in the holes. You just fold them out in order to use them. Then, by pulling the pull strap, the anchors get tightened. You roll up the excess strap and store it in the hole. This here is the vehicle belt path. If you're installing the base with the car seat belt, you would put the belt through here, and on the other end, you would click it into the buckle. Just like you see in this handy-dandy diagram. Next feature is the shoulder belt lock-off. These orange slots on both sides of the base are where you slide the car seatbelt into. After you thread the seatbelt through the belt path, you slide the ends through the lock-off so that the seatbelt will be secure. This here is the harness. To strap the baby in, all you do is click the chest clip on. Then you insert the clips at the bottom to the crotch buckle. Once that is done, you tighten the harness by pulling on the strap sticking out at the bottom of the seat. Then, to loosen the harness, you push the orange button at the bottom and pull up on the harness. Then you push the red button on the crotch buckle and pull the clips out to release your baby from captivity. Now I'll go over how to adjust the shoulder strap height. As you can see, there are 3 slots at different heights. You flip the seat over to see the back end of the harness and the 3 shoulder holes. To adjust the height, we have to remove the shoulder strap from the clip in the middle. Do both sides. Once they are released, you push the shoulder straps through the holes. Now flip the seat over, hold up the shoulder straps and put them through the holes that you desire. Make sure the straps are not facing backward. Then you flip the seat back over and clip the shoulder straps back on. And there you have it. The shoulder straps are shorter now. The seat also has a seat belt path. This is used when you don't have the base, so you have to install the seat in the car without it. You would thread the car seat belt through the belt path on both sides and then buckle it in. Here you have the canopy. You just pull up on the edges to cover the baby from the sun. If the sun is coming from the front of the baby, you can adjust the canopy to cover him from the front. To do that, you would pull the Velcro off the canopy from behind the car seat. Then you unhook the ends of the canopy from the seat by pushing on the button here and pulling the canopy out. Repeat on the other side. Now you rotate the canopy and reinstall it on backwards. You push the ends back on and open the canopy out. Now the baby will be covered from the front. The handle has 3 different modes. This is mode 1. It can be used to carry the car seat. Then for mode 2, you push the orange buttons and put the handle down to the middle so that it is out of the way and you can pull the baby in and out of the seat unobstructed. You can also rock the seat back and forth. Last, you can push the handle all the way down so that the car seat stays put without any rocking. This big orange button is used to release the seat from the base. To lock the seat on the base, all you do is push it down until you hear a click. Then pull up on the handle to make sure it's secured. Once again, to release, we push on the big orange button and pull the seat up. Very easy to do. Okay, there you have it, folks. That is exactly how to use the Chicco Keyfit 30. I hope that was useful for you and cleared up any questions that you had. If it did, please make sure to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and see you in the next video.